Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we're reviewing a monitoring software. It is called Eyezy. It is a parental control application which offers monitoring your kid's smartphone and offers many features. And what I like about it is that it is offering most of the features which are not offered by other monitoring softwares. So in this video we will also compare it with uMobix and we'll see how it is a better option. Using Eyezy, you can keep a track on your kid's smartphone and the activities. You can check his or her location. You can check the phone call logs. You can check the social media applications like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. It also offers automatic screen recording whenever the kid opens the social media applications. It also has keyword tracker, and the things that I really like which are not offered by other softwares include the Wi-Fi blocking, the application blocking, and you can also block some specific websites, which is just amazing and it is not offered by other softwares. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all of its top features. But if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So before starting, there are two things to be kept in mind: that this video is for educational purposes only and this software should not be used without the device owner's consent. So let's get right into it and check out everything and learn how to set it up. First of all, you will have to visit your web browser and you will have to visit their website, which is eyezy.com. If you scroll down, then here are some of the advantages of it. It is incredibly affordable at even less than $1 per day. And as the application will disappear once you have installed it, so you can check everything without being detected. Again, mentioning that it should be done only with the user's consent. And Eyezy is powered by bank-grade encryption to keep your personal data and your family's. And if you are facing any issue, you can contact the customer care of Eyezy, which is available 24/7. So Eyezy is easy to use. You have to pick your membership, you have to install it on your device and then start digging out the information. You can check the device compatibility here. Then you can scroll further to go to frequently asked questions. First of all, you will have to go here and click on login. So I'm gonna log in to the Eyezy account. So I've entered the password. Let's log in. So first of all, you will have to link the device. On your Android device, you will have to open Play Store. Here tap on the profile picture icon, then you will have to select Play Protect, then you will have to click on the settings icon here, and after that you will have to turn off scan apps with Play Protect, then click on turn off again. After that, open the web browser and here in the URL bar you will have to enter q12z.net and after that press enter, then tap on download. Once the file is downloaded, tap on open file, then install. It might prompt you to turn on Play Protect. You will have to decline the request. So when the installation finishes, it will open this application, and after giving all of the permissions you will have to enter the registration code which will be provided to you by Eyezy. So I've entered my registration code. After that, all you have to do is tap on complete installation. The app has been installed and it has disappeared from the smartphone, and after finishing everything you will be redirected to the dashboard of Eyezy. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the keylogger. So you can see everything they type with the keylogger app for Android. The Eyezy keylogger tool shows you when and which app the conversation took place, and remember that this function can be used without root on Android, but for iPhone the device needs to be jailbroken. I typed random words and you can see that it has tracked all of them. Then here you can see that it is mentioning that I was typing these words on the messages application. So you can click here and you can also select the specific application. For example, you can specifically check the keylogger data for the messages, for update service, WhatsApp and other applications like this. And second exciting thing about it is the screen recorder. So it will take snapshots in the background while they use their phone. You will have a visual representation of their conversations exactly as they happen. After that, we have the social spotlight by which you can track a lot of applications. We have text messages. So here you can see it has listed all of the text messages in the smartphone. Then we have email. So here it is showing the current logged in email address on the smartphone and also the email. You can see there are a lot of applications supported by it. Then we have the phone analyzer option. So first of all, you can also check all of the contacts in the target device. Then we also have the phone calls option, so you can find out who they called and see who called them. So this shows the incoming call and this is showing the outgoing call. This is really amazing. As you can see here, all of the phone logs are listed here. You can also track the GPS locations. It shows both list view and map view. Here you can see that it is updating the location history almost every 5 minutes, and you can click on map view to get the exact location. This is just amazing. It can actually really help if your kid goes missing. You can just check the location here and track him down. Other than that, it also has many amazing features, like you can check all of the photos inside it. You can also block some websites. For example, you are worried that your kid might open some websites which are not suitable for his or her age. You can enter the website address here, and in the end we have the geofencing and the keyword tracking, and whenever that word or phrase is used, you will be alerted on your email. On the other hand, if you compare it with uMobix, in my opinion, Eyezy is surely a better option. If you check out its demo and if you check out all of the options available here, then Eyezy has a lot more to offer. First of all, if you compare the keylogger, then on the uMobix you can only check the application and the message which was typed, which can also be done on Eyezy. Eyezy also offers you to select a specific application for ease of access. After that, Eyezy also has the option of keyword tracking, by which you can enter a word or phrase, and whenever that word or phrase is used, it will notify you via email, which is not available in uMobix. After that, in uMobix you do not have the option of screen recording, while Eyezy also has this screen recording option. And whenever your kid will open WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat or Instagram, it will automatically take screenshots, and you can check all of those screenshots later here. After that, uMobix can only show the browser history and browser bookmarks, while Eyezy can show the browser history and browser bookmark, but it can also block the websites, which is a big plus point for the parents. For example, if your kid is accessing the 18+ websites and you are not comfortable with that, you can enter that link here and you can click on block, then your kid won't be able to access that website. After that, Eyezy also offers you to block the Wi-Fi, block applications, while uMobix doesn't have this option. uMobix also doesn't have the option of geofencing. You can also check the installed applications on the target device on Eyezy, while you cannot do that on uMobix. Eyezy can also show you the Wi-Fi networks your kid's smartphone is connected to, while uMobix cannot do that. You can clearly see that Eyezy has so much more to offer as compared to the uMobix. uMobix is only offering the basic features which almost every monitoring software can offer. Like you can get the call logs, the contacts, messages, location and keylogger, then the social applications, photo, videos and browser history. While in Eyezy you have so much more here. You can get the Wi-Fi network, you can check the installed applications, you can block websites, block Wi-Fi, block applications. My favorite feature has to be the keyword tracking. So in my opinion, Eyezy is surely a better software as compared to the uMobix, and if I have to purchase, I'm surely gonna be going for Eyezy. This is my personal opinion because it is clear that it has so much more to offer. So guys, this was all from today's video. I really hope that this video helped you out and I was able to tell you about all of its features and I made it easy for you. So it is quite clear that Eyezy is surely a better pick as compared to uMobix. It is offering many features which are not available in uMobix and also other monitoring softwares. You can find the website link in the description box below. And again, please use this video for educational purposes only and only use it with the device owner's consent. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.